Hey, cricket.
Enola goes for the cricket.
Mira, you're so smart. Mira, you're so smart.
Mira, you're so smart. I knew she needed crickets. She's a hunter.
Did you get it? I can't see if she ate it or not. I don't know.
You can't tell if she's doing anything.
She's not. I can see her from here. She's waiting for the cricket to move. Well, now she's going for it.
Leave it alone.
That'd be horrifying. Can you imagine? How y'all doing?
Yes, it definitely would be. I see the cricket though.
Are you zooming in? Are you being sneaky?
There's the cricket. Oh yeah, he's like, help me. Help me.
No, it doesn't go on there. Oh, maybe she just wants to climb up again.
She climbs up the glass. She says, I want the hell out of here.
Maybe she's trying to
Make a web?
spin it.
Find a place to make a web.
I feel much more comfortable now that there are bugs around me.
About time, guys. Jeez.
Why does the spider sound like all the way up? Get your own voice.
All pets have the same voice.
Maybe she just didn't want it. Or she sees the other one that's crawling towards her. What a fool. See, hitting her got her all excited. Oh, look. She liked it.
She liked it.
Oh, she's going right for the cricket, too.
Where?
Oh, no, he buried himself.
He buried himself?
Yeah.
They're hiding?
Yeah.
He's scared? I don't blame him.
Oh.
Hey.
Not good enough. Oh, no, his eyes are glowing at me.
Who, the spider?
Yeah.
His eyes glow?
What's the reflective light thing?
I was gonna say.
Match.
That'd be awesome.
I see the cricket.
That cricket's like teeth.
Oh my god. She's using one leg to hold.
She's unimpressed.
She's using one leg to hold herself up. I think the camera missed that one.
We're gonna have to get more crickets tomorrow or Sunday.
Or Monday.
She's getting it.
Sunday we're going to St. John, eh?
Me too. There's a cricket.
Oh, there's another one inside her hut. I thought I only shook out two.
What does that eat?
Seeds.
Let's watch the weird hamster for a second.
My little foopers.
He doesn't like the inside of the wheel. He likes the outside.
I think she's just too big for it.
Maybe you should get a bigger one. Where you should put her.
Oh, and Nora, what's going on?
See, I'm not entirely sure what I want. I am female, after all.
She's checking all sides, all corners, it looks like.
Get off the table like that.
Yes, this table falling would not be good. Oh, hello.
Imagine walking by your house. You just like turn around, there's a spider
She
sitting there.
almost found it. She found it.
Just stay back. It's down there.
There's another one behind it. Oh, spicy. She's trying to get it. She's so little.
Let me see.
So cricket's still in there? You're spying at the tank. Oh my god. Not impressed.
Oh my god. No, she's alright. She's not gonna get out.
I don't care.
Why?
Right up the glass. Wow.
She's gonna wait.
Looks like we have trust issues.
Oh, there's the other worm. See? I knew he'd come out sometime.
Where?
Right there, against the glass, babe. Against the glass.
Oh.
There you go.
Well, he's got legs.
Yeah.
Why is this so blurry?
What is this?
Just leave it. What are you doing?
It's for him.
I tried to see the lizard, but it was just blurry.
She's in her little hut. She likes her hut.
I need a better view of her.
Oh, my lizard?
Lizard's not awake.
It's just all blurry.
Hello?
Oh, Zozo.
Oh, water dragon. Oh, I see the cricket behind her. Oh, I think that's enough video.
She was just sitting there staring at the crickets while they were next